Okay, here we're going to talk about how to create a new cohort in eMedley. So from the main dashboard here, we're going to go to administration and click on cohorts. From here, you'll go to the top right, click add, and this is where you enter the information about the cohort. We don't have start and end dates yet, so we'll just arbitrarily pick August 1st. So we'll go with 08/01/2022 because it starts next summer. And then the end date most likely will be sometime around the end of August the following year. 2023. You'll give the cohort a name. Typically here you would call it something like class of 2023 or whatever makes sense to you. I'm just going to call it sample cohort for the purpose of this demonstration. Hit save. And your cohort has been created. So when you go back to the main screen here under cohorts, you'll see our cohort is now up at the top with the appropriate dates. And that is all there is to it.